us here, and the lighting is really bad, so that's probably better. Yeah, that's better. So we got homemade surprise eggs here, and they have surprises in them. So which one do you want to start with first?
This one.
That one? Okay, hold on. Okay, he's gonna open it now. There's a surprise in there. Who is that?
It's a mushroom.
A mushroom Shopkin. And we got Play-Doh.
And look, guys, is this so cool? Guys, is this so cool?
It's right there. Put them right there.
Guys, is this so cool?
Awesome. Okay.
Put it right here. Put it right here. Now
Hold on. All right. Pick which one you want to do now.
This one.
That one? Hold on. You gotta get them ready.
This one.
Okay.
Let me see what's in this one.
We used a different kind of Play-Doh on this. Ooh, what is that? I don't think that's a Shopkin. Is that a Shopkin?
No.
What is it?
Animal Jam.
They can't see it.
Animal Jam.
Let me show them. It's from Animal Jam, I guess.
Let's put it right where what egg was.
Okay. The best for last. All right, go ahead.
Guys, wanna watch this one? Let's see which. It's another Shopkin.
It's an ultra rare.
It's an ultra rare Shopkin.
It's a golden one.
Yay, guys! Yeah,
That's awesome. All right, go ahead. Say goodbye to them.
Bye. I forgot to show them this. Bye, guys. Yuck.
All right.
Bye. Bye. This was the demo video, so I hope you.
Bye, YouTubing.
Bye.
Just kidding.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
And I hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope
Bye.
you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye. I want to do it again.
Okay.
I want to
So-
do it again.
I just do it again.
Yeah.
So this is, we got one from Animal Jam. We got a mushroom Shopkin. And Harper. And we got an ultra rare pie. I don't know what their names are.
I know what this name is.
What's the name?
Ultra rare.
That's not the name.
Oh no, I did wrong. Guys, this name is Dominic, and this one is good, and this
All right, bye guys. We're gonna go now. Bye.
Bye.